you all doing? Before I get right into it, please do remember to please subscribe and like this video and share it as well. Soon I'll be doing an unboxing on the iPhone 8 Plus that I got. I got it I got it for my Christmas, but I got it later on down in like a couple days ago. Basically I got it, right? So yes, let's get into the unboxing. So I went to Apple because I went and got it myself with the gift card that I got for Christmas, and I think this is the first product I'm actually buying from Apple, like right at Apple. Normally I normally either buy something either used or yeah, used online or something like that. So yeah, so I got the bag, so I'm like, yeah, definitely official Apple buyer. So I got the bag, so I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep this bag. This is, yeah, I'll be definitely keeping this bag as well. So like, let's get right into it, guys. Alright, so you can see it comes into an Apple bag. I think it's just so this is how it looks. And it's out of the bag. It's still into plastic, so I didn't take it off yet. So that's how it looks inside. And then it has there's this green arrow, so I'm assuming this is where you open it from. So follow that on the other side, and then you have the Apple logo here, and then you got all the information right here. And if you guys can see it, when I take it out of the plastic, I'll show you guys again. Okay, so let's open this up. I'm so excited, guys. Ooh, I'll take it off. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is how it looks without the plastic on. Go right around. Look, so it looks like that. And then you have all the info right here. I'm just gonna take that. All the info. Let's see if I can zoom in for you guys. Okay, 64 gig if you can. If you're not able to see properly, it says 64 gig, and it has the info like iPhone 8 Plus, and it tells you what comes inside of it. So we have it, yeah, includes iPhone 8 Plus, AirPods with lightning connector, lightning to headphone jack adapter, lightning to USB cable, and USB power adapter. Yeah, so that's what includes there. And then it gives you a little bit more details about the networks and capabilities and stuff like that. Yeah, let's open it up. Okay, so that's how the cover looks. Okay, first thing I noticed that it comes with the instructions on top, right? So it says designed by Apple in California. Okay, have the instruction there, and here's the actual phone. This is how it looks. Here's the actual phone. This is how it looks here. And we have the manual here. It says designed by Apple in California. Okay, let's take the phone out. So let's flip it over and take it out. It feels good. I did also going to purchase a protector for it, also a case. I didn't buy it yet, but it has casing on the back. And it looks at the front. Kind of still looks similar to the original coming from the other Plus 6, like from 6 Plus. Okay, let's put the phone one side, and then look what is in here. So we have the power adapter here. It feels, yeah, yeah. So I was gonna say, oh, it feels like paper on it, but yeah, there's a sheet on it. You'll take that off and you're ready to charge. And then you have the headphones. With the headphones, I noticed that for the original, when you're looking to buy an original, either used or anything like that, with the headphones, they don't come in a plastic like a closed container like they used to. So basically this is just paper, right? And they put the charger adapter for the headphones back here and stuff like that, and then you have the cable in here, right, for the headphones. This is for the headphones, so all of this is for the headphones. That's pretty good. And then if you look down underneath it, you have the charging cable. That's pretty cool. You have the charging cable neatly wrapped and everything like that, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. You can't come out. That's it. Okay, I'm not too sure if it's charged, but before we turn it on, let's look at how it looks on the outside. So you have a nice wide screen. I think the screen is 5.5, still coming up from, still the same 5.5 from 6 Plus, right? And you have it like that. Turn it this way. You have the SIM card entry right here. A little bit better. So you have the SIM card right here, right there. The power button, and on the next side you have the volume up button, volume down button, and I think the sound, if you want to put it on vibrate, if you want to put it on silent, put it on sound. You have the camera. Nice. I'm not too sure what size camera this one, but the megapixel of this camera, I think the front one maybe 7, and let's go to the back. So with this one, with the back, it has iPhone, probably you get the blur right there, just iPhone. Before, with the older ones, they normally have iPhone and then they have a few things on the bottom. So if you're ever purchasing some iPhone that is used and you're wondering if it's a real or fake, if it has words down here, it's definitely not a real one. So, and then it has a dual camera up top, so that's pretty good as well. So that's how it looks. The side, and then you have your charging port down bottom. The next side, and the top. Okay. One more thing that I noticed, that with the 6 Plus, and I think it's the same thing with the 6S Plus as well, the streak that is right here, it's with the 6 Plus, it goes all the way at the back to the other side, but they stop it, they only have it on the edge, the strip. Okay, so let me, I'm not gonna take off, I think, not all of the plastic in the back. I'm just gonna show you. They went back to like a glass finish in the back, so which is nice. So you basically, it looks like a bronze, not really gold, it looked more like a bronze color to me, and the bronze is kind of mixed in with a little bit of white, so that's what they did there. Because on the back, they just have gold on there, but it looks more like a bronze color to me. That's what I will say. Okay, let's power it on. Wondering if it's gonna power on or it needs to charge up a little bit. Okay, and it's on. And I noticed with the button, it's not a clip button anymore. I think they stopped that from 7. So there it is, guys. So it's on. All you just choose your settings. I'm going to put my SIM card in. And manually. I'm just gonna run through these things here. Okay guys, so I did put my Wi-Fi in, but now it's asking me for my SIM, so it says SIM required. So I have to go take my SIM out of my old phone and put it into the new phone, and then I'll probably do a separate video to review and how it feels to me, like if there's any changes compared to like a 7 compared to the 6, because I had a 6 Plus before. Like I want to see the big difference between the 6 Plus and the 8 Plus. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. Let me do like just a quick outline. Go back over with the sides in the front, next side again, hold it down, back, go to the back, and that's the back of it. And again, there's no writing on the back underneath the iPhone word, so just in case you're looking out there and to find an iPhone, a used iPhone, and you're wondering if it's a fake or a real, it is a fake if there's words underneath the iPhone. Okay, and that's it. So thank you for watching my unboxing, guys. Thank you so much. Also, please do subscribe and like, and please hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.